Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your Camplux water heater is not lighting, it can be frustrating because without ignition, the unit simply won't produce hot water at all. You might try turning it on and off, but nothing happens, no flame, no heat. In many cases, this issue is not as serious as it seems, and is often caused by simple factors like low water pressure, gas supply problems, or ignition-related issues. Since Camplux heaters rely on proper flow and ignition to operate, even a small disruption can stop the burner from lighting. Once the issue is resolved, the heater should ignite normally again. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Camplux water heater and restore proper ignition. Try these. 1. Ensure water flow is strong enough to activate the heater. 2. Check that the gas supply is turned on and available. 3. Replace or check batteries if the unit uses battery ignition. 4. Turn the unit off and back on to reset the system. 5. Inspect vents and air intake for any blockage. 6. Turn on the tap and confirm the burner lights properly.